Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. And next we'll go down low, touch our toes. Let's go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave. Very good. Next, back down to touch our toes. Okay, let's stand up, hands on hips. Let's have a wiggle. Stop. And another wiggle. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And let's go round and round. Round and round. Round and round and stop. Now we'll go back the other way. Back the other way. And stop. Excellent, guys. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Have a seat. And who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? Shapes. Very good. Well remembered, guys. How do we spell shapes? S-H-A-P-E-S. And what type of shapes have we been learning about? 2D. Okay. 2D shapes. Now we know what 2 means. 2 stands for 2. But who can remember what the D stands for? Dimensional. Okay, so I'll spell that for you guys underneath. 2-dimensional. D-I-M-E-N-S-I-O-N-A-L. So altogether, 2-dimensional shapes. Excellent. And in the previous lesson, we learnt about this type of shape. Oval. Very good. Well remembered. How do we spell oval, guys? O V A L. Excellent. Now, it looks a little bit like a circle, which we've also learnt about before, but it's slightly different. Let's see if we can remember 3 facts about an oval. First of all, I will ask, how many lines does an oval have? How many lines? 1. Yes. Same as a circle, an oval has 1 line. A line that goes all the way around. So we will write 1 line. How do we spell line? L-I-N-E. Okay. How many corners does an oval have? Excellent. No corners. Same as a circle. Because it goes around, there are no corners or no angles. N-O, corners, C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Okay, next one. This is where an oval is different from a circle. A circle is perfectly round. Is our oval perfectly round? No, correct. An oval can be taller or wider. So we say not, N-O-T, perfectly, P-E-R-F-E-C-T-L-Y, round, R-O-U-N-D. Excellent, guys. So what's our shape again? Oval. Oval has 1 line, but no corners. And an oval is not perfectly round. Excellent. Well remembered, guys. And now we're going to move on today. In today's lesson, we're going to look at another shape. So let's see who can guess what type of shape this is. Triangle is correct. Well done, guys. Now let's see, for bonus points, I wonder who can spell triangle. Excellent. So the focus of today's lesson is, one more time, triangle. Brilliant, guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, because we have a song and a PowerPoint presentation so we can learn more about triangles. So let's turn our chairs, guys, to take a look at our PowerPoint presentation so we can learn more about triangles. So let's see, does anybody remember what this shape is? Oval or circle? Yes, we have oval. Okay, a circle is perfectly round. But in the previous lesson, we learned about ovals. And this one here? Triangle. This is what we're looking at today. So triangles have 3 straight sides. Triangles can be different colors and sizes. How many corners does a triangle have? 3. Okay? The word tri actually means 3. So if ever you hear a shape that says tri, it means 3 of everything. Triangle is 3 sides and 3 corners. You see, triangles have 3 angles and corners. Whatever the shape of the triangle, it always must have 3 straight sides and 3 corners, which are the same as angles. There are different types of triangles. So let's take a look at some of the names now. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Very good, guys. Equal means all of the sides are the same length. If they're the same, they're equal, which is why that triangle is called equilateral. But the next one, isosceles triangle. Can you say isosceles? You see, 2 of the sides are taller than the 3rd side. So this is what an isosceles triangle looks like. And another one, scalene triangle. Which means all the sides are different. They're all straight, but they're different lengths. So one more time, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Excellent, guys, very good. Many different types of triangles. Types of triangles. You see in the picture here, these are all triangles, all different shapes and all different sizes, colors too. But the one thing they all have in common, 3 sides and 3 corners. Every triangle must have 3 sides and 3 corners. We can have buildings. What shape is this building here? Triangle. Signs. What shape is this sign? Triangle, you see? 3 sides, 3 corners. This is the sign you sometimes see near our school to warn people driving cars there will be children crossing. Food. Does anybody know what type of food this is? This is Indian food. Yes, and what shape is the food? Triangle, yes. So you can see there are triangles everywhere. Can you think of any other examples of triangles? No? Okay, very well done, guys. Round of applause. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video song and also the PowerPoint presentation so that we can learn more about triangles. And now we'll do a quick demonstration on the board too. So who can remember, guys, how do we spell triangles? Excellent. Triangles. Triangles. And who can remember for me, how many sides does a triangle have? 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. And also, how many corners or angles does a triangle have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Is this a triangle? Yes. How about 1, 2, 3? Is this a triangle? Yes. Even though it's a different shape, it's still a triangle, because what we do, we count the sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3. So if a shape has 3 sides, how many corners will it have? 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see whatever the size or the shape, if it has 3 sides and 3 corners, it's a triangle. But how about this shape? Is this a triangle? No. What shape is this? Circle. Why is it a circle? How many sides? Remember how many sides for a circle? 1. Just has the one side all the way round. How many corners? 0 corners. Well done. No corners on a circle. Is it perfectly round? Yes. That's why we know it's a circle. But if I do a shape like this, is this a circle? No. What type of shape is this? Oval. How many sides does the oval have? 1. Same as the circle, it has one side all the way round. How many corners or angles? 0 angles, 0 corners. Is it perfectly round? No. That's why we call it an oval, because it can either be longer or wider. This is an oval. This is an oval, but this is a circle. So excellent, guys. Well remembered. Big round of applause. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And to begin this time, we're going to do some rotations. So let's go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent. Now let's shake it out a little bit. Very good. And now stand straight. Now we'll take right hand, left foot. Stand up straight, left hand, right foot. Stand up straight and swap. 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 Okay, now let's kick it out. Kick it out and push it out. And this time to finish, we're going to do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent, guys. And now it's time for our flashcards activity for the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print out the flashcards for this lesson and cut each of the flashcards into individual pieces. And what you'll want to do for each triangle shape is create a jigsaw activity for our students. And I think each jigsaw, 5 or 6 pieces will be enough. And what you'll have to do is divide your students into groups of 2s or 3s, depending on the size of your class. Give each group of students a jigsaw and give them, on your command, a few minutes to try to put the pieces together so that they can create a jigsaw. And when everybody's finished, they can then pass on the jigsaw to their friends. So that means what you'll need to do is make sure you cut each jigsaw differently. So each jigsaw is different for the children to do. So let's say I have 9 students. So we'll have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So remember, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to do a jigsaw activity to try to put our pieces together so that we can create this shape. What shape is this? Triangle. Okay? So group 1, 2, and Lakgau. This is for you. Not yet. You're welcome, Pat and Prel. This is your one. Let's see, group 3, Pakbung and Net. And now, the final group, group 4, we have 3 students, Down, Bangpon, and Nadia. So what shape are we going to make, guys? Are we going to make a circle? Are we making a circle? No. Are we making an oval? No. We are making a Triangle. How many sides? How many corners? Okay. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So if you need any help, guys, remember to look at the shape on the board. That looks like it could be the top. Look at the colors. If you need any more clues, guys, look at the colors. The colors can be next to each other. Okay, so we've got group 1 has finished. Or group 4, sorry, they finished their triangle. Excellent. Okay, that one can do. Almost. Not quite. Finished? Okay, guys, so now what you can do, everybody's finished, you can put them together and pass them to the friends on the left. Nadia, I'll take your ones and I'll pass them to Chu for you. It's okay. And what you should find now is each jigsaw is different, so you can have a go at putting together your new shapes. Okay, you can keep that one because you still need it. So when everybody's ready, on my count, team 1, are you ready? Team 2, ready? Team 3, ready? Team 4? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So remember, same shape. Try to make the triangle, but this time your pieces will be different. We're still making a triangle. Excellent, team 4 finished first again, but there's 3 of you guys, so you have to, excellent, okay, team 4. If you need any extra clues, look at the cost. Perfect. If you notice as well the colors on the shapes. Let's see what we've got. So that looks like the bottom, that's the longest. So let's see the red. Where's the red? Finished. Excellent. Okay, guys, all done? Excellent. Big round of applause for everyone for playing a great game. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the jigsaw activity where they had to work together and put the pieces back so that they make their own triangles. We had some fun here too. But now it's time for the worksheet activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of the students in your class. And similar to the previous lessons, because we're learning to understand shapes, our students need to look at the objects and they need to decide if A, this is a triangle or this is not a triangle, and write each of the sentences underneath. So for example, the first one, coin, is this a triangle? No, so we will write this is not a triangle. But then how about this picture here? What shape can you see? Triangle. So we will write this is a triangle. But what's the first thing we need to do, guys? Write our names on top. So Nadia, that one's for you. Bang Bon, that's yours. Down. You're welcome. Bang Bong, you're welcome. Preo. Pat. Let go. And finally, chew. So we have two sentences, guys. What shapes are these? These are triangles, so we can write this is a triangle, because these shapes are triangles. But how about these shapes here? Are these triangles? No. Well done. So we would write this is not a triangle. So that our students can begin to understand how to view shapes in real-life objects, they can decide for themselves whether each item is a triangle or not. This is not a triangle. A coin is a circle. Excellent. And this one, this is not. Excellent, down. This one is a triangle. Yep, very good. Excellent, Pak Boom. That is a triangle. Perfect. Pat, very good. Some of these shapes we've already seen before. We have circles, we have ovals. So you'll know that they are not triangles because we learned them shapes already. Excellent, Lakgao. This is a triangle. Great, Chew. And then this one, this is a triangle. You see 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, 3 corners. So we know it's a triangle. Any you're not sure about, guys, let me know. Remember, triangle, 3 sides and 3 corners. You. Don't forget your name on top. This is a triangle. Yes. And then these not. This is not a triangle. This is the word. Yes, it's okay. It's a triangle inside. So yes, this is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 corners. How many squares? How many sides? 3. So it's a triangle. But that one's a tricky one, Preo, because it's a triangle inside a square. Excellent, Pat. Good to see you all understand, guys. 3 corners, 3 sides, that's a triangle. Correct, Nadia. Football, this is not a triangle. And once all your students have finished the worksheet activity, you can have them practice reading the answers together. So the first object, guys, a coin. Is this a triangle? No, this is not a triangle. How about a balloon?
This is not a triangle.
And how about this shape here in snooker? And the pyramids?
This is a triangle.
Excellent. How about the clock?
This is not a triangle.
And the face? Is my face a triangle?
This is not a triangle.
How about an egg?
This is not a triangle.
But what about the sign?
This is a triangle.
And the football?
This is not a triangle.
And this shape here?
This is a triangle.
Excellent. The CD?
This is not a triangle.
And finally, the fruit, the avocado. Is that a triangle?
This is not a triangle.
Excellent, guys. You understand very well. Well done. So the important thing to remember from today's lesson about triangles. It's only a triangle if how many sides? 1, 2, 3. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corners, any shape, it's a triangle. So that was excellent, guys. Very well done. And that's the end of today's lesson. So we hope you've enjoyed it, had some fun with the activities, but also learned something too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.